Welcome to this masterclass on the structural organization of animals. We will explore how complex living systems are built, starting from microscopic tissues and moving up to the detailed anatomy of earthworms, cockroaches, and frogs. Our goal is to understand the logical blueprints of animal life. Life is organized in a nested hierarchy. Cells form tissues, tissues form organs, and organs coordinate to create organ systems. This specialization allows complex animals to perform diverse survival tasks efficiently. All complex animals have cells grouped into four primary tissue types. Epithelial tissue covers and protects. Connective tissue binds and supports. Muscular tissue provides movement, and neural tissue controls everything. Epithelial tissue forms boundaries, with cells packed tightly. It always rests on a basement membrane. Simple epithelium has one layer, while compound epithelium has many layers for better protection. Simple squamous epithelium consists of a single layer of thin, flattened cells. Their thinness allows for rapid diffusion, making them ideal for blood vessel walls and the air sacs of lungs, where they act as a high-speed filter. Simple cuboidal epithelium is composed of a single layer of cube-like cells. Their shape allows for machinery needed for secretion and absorption, which is why they are found in the ducts of glands and the kidneys. Simple columnar epithelium cells are tall pillars with basal nuclei. They specialize in absorption and secretion, primarily lining the stomach and intestine, providing a huge surface area for nutrient uptake. Ciliated epithelium features columnar or cuboidal cells with fine hair-like projections called cilia. These cilia move particles or mucus in a specific direction, functioning as the body's conveyor belt, like in the bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Glandular epithelium includes cells specialized for secretion, producing fluids like sweat and saliva. They can be unicellular, such as goblet cells, or multicellular clusters like salivary glands. Exocrine glands secrete products through ducts or tubes, for example mucus and saliva. Endocrine glands are ductless. They release hormones directly into the blood, communicating signals throughout the body. Compound epithelium is multi-layered, providing maximum protection against chemical and mechanical stresses. It has a limited role in absorption and is designed for toughness, forming the dry surface of the skin and the moist surface of the buccal cavity. Cell junctions provide critical links between cells. Tight junctions seal gaps to prevent leakage. Adhering junctions cement cells together, and gap junctions allow rapid communication and ion transfer between cells. Connective tissue is the most abundant tissue, linking and supporting others. A key feature is the large amount of non-living extracellular matrix, which can be liquid, jelly-like, or solid. Connective tissues secrete structural protein fibers. Collagen provides strength, while elastin provides elasticity and flexibility. The balance between these two fibers determines the physical properties of the tissue. Areolar tissue is a type of loose connective tissue found beneath the skin. It acts as a support framework and contains immune cells like macrophages and mast cells to fight infections. Adipose tissue is specialized to store fats, acting as an energy reserve, insulator, and cushion. Excess nutrients are converted into fats and stored in large fat globules within the cells. Dense connective tissue has compactly packed fibers and fibroblasts. Regular tissue, like tendons, has parallel fibers. Irregular tissue, found in the skin dermis, has fibers oriented in different directions to resist stress from various angles. Cartilage is a specialized connective tissue providing resilient support. Its matrix is solid and pliable, resisting compression. Cells, called chondrocytes, live in small cavities or lacunae. It is found in the nose, outer ear, and joints. Bone is a hard, non-pliable tissue rich in calcium salts and collagen, giving it strength. Cells are osteocytes, arranged in concentric circles. Bone provides the structural frame, protects organs, and produces blood cells. Blood is a liquid connective tissue consisting of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. It functions primarily in the transport of gases, nutrients, and waste products. Muscle tissue is the body's motor, made of long, cylindrical fibers, called myofibrils. Its unique ability to contract allows for all body movements. There are three types: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscle is closely attached to bones and is under voluntary control. Its fibers are bundled in parallel, exhibiting a striated or striped appearance under the microscope. Smooth muscle is under involuntary control, found in the walls of internal organs like the stomach. The fibers are spindle-shaped and lack striations, regulating processes like digestion and blood pressure automatically. Cardiac muscle is the contractile tissue found only in the heart. Its fibers are branched and striated, connected by intercalated discs. These discs allow the heart to contract as a single, perfectly coordinated unit. Neural tissue is the body's control center, exerting control over the body's responsiveness. Neurons are excitable cells that carry electrical impulses, allowing us to think, move, and feel. Organs are physical structures where different tissues collaborate. When organs work together, they form organ systems. This division of labor and coordination maintains homeostasis, keeping the animal alive. The earthworm has a long cylindrical body divided into 100 to 120 segments. A prominent band, the clitellum, is visible in segments 14 to 16. The earthworm uses tiny bristles called setae to grip the soil as it moves. The earthworm's alimentary canal is a straight tube. The muscular gizzard grinds the soil. The intestine features a special fold, the typhlosole, which dramatically increases the surface area for nutrient absorption from the dirt. Earthworms have a closed circulatory system with hemoglobin dissolved in the plasma, making the blood red. Several pairs of lateral hearts in segments 7, 9, 12, and 13 pump blood throughout the system. The cockroach body is divided into a head, thorax, and abdomen, protected by a hard, chitinous exoskeleton. The thorax has 3 segments, each bearing a pair of jointed legs, making them fast and agile. The cockroach alimentary canal includes a crop for storage and a gizzard. The gizzard contains 6 chitinous teeth, which grind the food into a fine paste, enabling the cockroach to eat almost anything. Cockroaches use a tracheal system for direct oxygen delivery. A network of air tubes opens through 10 pairs of spiracles, carrying oxygen directly to every cell without needing blood transport for gases. Excretion in cockroaches is managed by 100 to 150 Malpighian tubules. These tubules absorb nitrogenous waste from the blood and convert it into uric acid, conserving water, which aids survival in dry environments. Frogs have a moist, slippery skin used for respiration. They lack a neck and tail, but their massive hind limbs are muscular for jumping. The tympanum, a flat disc behind the eye, functions as the external eardrum. The frog's heart has 3 chambers, 2 atria, and 1 single ventricle. This single ventricle results in the pumping of mixed oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood to the body, which is less efficient but suited to their lifestyle. Frogs exhibit dual respiration. They breathe through their skin in water, cutaneous, through their lungs on land, pulmonary, and also use the lining of their mouth. This flexibility aids survival in diverse environments. Animal reproduction varies greatly. Earthworms are hermaphrodites. Frogs are dioecious with external fertilization in water. Cockroaches use internal fertilization, protecting their eggs in tough oothecae. Comparing these animals reveals a climb in evolutionary complexity, from the earthworm's simple structures to the frog's advanced systems. We see trends like the shift from open to closed circulatory systems and simple nerves to a complex brain. The structural organization of animals is a marvel of biological engineering. Every tissue and organ system is optimized, showing how life develops unique structural solutions to environmental pressures. We hope this video has deepened your appreciation for these deep connections.